Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub Personal Access Token in 2025. This token is super useful for authenticating with GitHub when using the command line, APIs, or third-party tools. Let's get started. First, open github.com and log into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and then select Settings. Next, scroll all the way down in the left-hand sidebar and click on Developer Settings. Inside Developer Settings, select Personal Access Tokens, then click on Tokens Classic. On the right, click the button that says Generate New Token and choose Generate New Token Classic. Now you'll see a setup page. In the note field, type a short description for why you're creating this token, for example, for CLI access or for CI/CD pipeline. Then set an expiration date. You can choose 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or even a custom period. For security reasons, it's best not to set tokens to no expiration. Below that, you'll see the Scopes section. This part is very important because it controls what your token can do. For example, select Repo if you want access to private repositories, Workflow if you're dealing with GitHub Actions, or Delete Bower Repo if you need deletion rights. Check only the permissions you need. This keeps your account secure. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Generate Token. And here's the most important part. Copy your token right away and save it somewhere safe. GitHub will only show it once. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. That's it. You've successfully created a GitHub Personal Access Token. You can now use it in place of your GitHub password when authenticating through the command line or tools that connect to your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.